CA Foundation students, the crucial period for your May 2026 exams is here, and this video will guide you on how to study for paper number 2 business laws one day before your exam. So save this video. First thing, stop trying to read the entire book again one day before exam. Focus should be on smart revision and not fresh learning. After your accounts paper, take a break after coming home and recharge yourself by getting some sleep. I urge you not to look into any social media and just leave whatever happened with your accounts paper, good or bad, if you want to give your best for next paper. So on 14th May, you can study for around 4 hours, and in this time, you can revise Companies Act in 2-3 hours and then finish LLP Act and Indian Regulatory Framework in remaining 1 or 2 hours. This will give you confidence because these chapters are scoring. On 15th May, complete if anything is left from the previous day chapters, and then first pick up Contract Act, which can take around 5 to 6 hours. Next, you can finish Sale of Goods Act in 3-4 hours and then take up Partnership in next 2-3 hours. It will be night till this time, and now in 1 or 2 hours, you can revise Negotiable Instruments Act. On the day of exam, that is 16th May, first finish whatever is left from previous day chapters and then again revise quickly the important topics from each chapter over which you are less confident. For example, Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act or the Corporate Wheel Theory from Companies Act. And whether to focus on provisions or questions, first revise the provisions properly and then immediately after each chapter, have a look at the questions that you must have marked to be read one day before exam. Now few quick tips to be kept in mind before your law paper. Write answers in proper format, provision, analysis and conclusion for case studies. Underline the keywords and mention section numbers only if you remember. And keep your speed of writing in a way to attempt maximum paper. Remember, in law paper, do not leave a question totally even if you are underconfident on it. At least write the provisions if you recall. So even if the conclusion goes wrong, you will get marks for correct provisions. Share this with your CA Foundation friends and help.